Sports broadcasters don't want you to know this secret. Those amazing 60-second highlight reels don't just happen magically. Every jaw-dropping play is captured with incredible hidden technology. We're talking about the silent revolution of slow-motion replay. It transformed how we watch and understand every game. This powerful tool reveals details invisible to the naked eye. It's the unsung hero of modern sports broadcasting. The journey began over 150 years ago. Incredibly, Eadweard Muybridge pioneered motion studies in 1878. He captured galloping horses with multiple still cameras. These early sequences laid fundamental groundwork for cinema. This was the very first glimpse into high-speed analysis. True slow-motion broadcasting emerged in the 1960s. Ampex introduced instant replay during the 1963 Army-Navy game. This was a monumental leap for sports television. Suddenly, viewers could re-experience crucial game moments. It allowed deep analysis of plays immediately after they occurred. This innovation forever changed how we consumed sports. Today's technology pushes boundaries further than ever. Phantom cameras record thousands of frames per second. Imagine 2,000 frames capturing a single baseball pitch. This reveals intricate movements, spins, and impacts. Ultra-high-speed cameras are now standard in top leagues. They capture details like sweat droplets or muscle flexes. This allows for truly cinematic and hyper-detailed highlights. Without these, many iconic moments would remain unseen. Slow-motion replay fundamentally changed sports officiating. Referees now review controversial calls with precision. Think about NFL challenges or NBA replay centers. These systems prevent egregious errors from deciding games. The 2010 World Cup goal line technology is a prime example. Hawkeye systems use multiple cameras for accuracy. This has improved fairness and reduced contentious outcomes. It holds athletes accountable for every action. Beyond officiating, slow motion elevates fan experience. It dissects athletic prowess with breathtaking clarity. We see LeBron James's hang time or Messi's ball control. These replays create iconic, memorable highlight packages. They fuel discussion and appreciation among global fans. Sports narratives become richer, more detailed, and engaging. The 60-second highlight reel thrives on this technology.
So, the next time you watch a thrilling highlight clip,
Thrilling, remember the highlight clip, hidden engineering making it all possible. This silent revolution continues to shape how we see sports. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of sports' hidden truths.